Now let's see what Alejandro is up to. He's a senior pursuing his bachelor's in architecture, and he's going to tell us about his journey to Penn College, what he loves most about the program, and all the possibilities to explore post-graduation. Over to you, Alejandro.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for the introduction, Alex. I'm glad to be here. When I was young, I was always a dreamer. I always wanted to create, from music, origami, drawing and painting, to landscapes and structures. My father was an influence on my path in pursuing architecture. But what really brought me here to Penn College was my brother Renzo. Walking into the architecture studios for the first time here at Penn College, I expected the whole major to be just hand drafting. It turns out the School of Engineering Technologies is the biggest one on campus. There are students working in handfuls of areas, from IT, electrical, and automotive, to HVAC and industrial design. For me, it's not just about working digitally, it's about the hands-on experience. From making concept models to fully finished building models, we are applying what we know to the real world. In my classes, we are taught all kinds of residential working drawings to commercial working drawings, while incorporating design into the architecture. Our classes truly allow us to unleash our creativity. Architecture always keeps me busy. Finding solutions to problems with design and making them real is what we do. Also, it's such a diverse field. There's so many opportunities after graduation. This is a great episode we're building, Alex. What's next?
Thank you, Alejandro. After hearing your story, there's no doubt that you found the right fit here at Penn College. I think you were born to be an architect. That problem solving and creative thinking is spot on. We wish you all the best and can't wait to see your imaginative building designs. Thanks again.